We are live, hey everyone. Um, I'm gonna put the pin message here, just, here we go. Um, there we go. Back out here. And then, Twitter. Yeah, I should have a copy and paste message for this. I should have a copy and paste message for this. There we go. And there. And we're gonna pin that. And I'm gonna post it in the Discord so I don't have to worry about it anymore. Because I don't wanna be writing that message every single time. Hey, Brozone. Welcome, welcome. I was making a pin message because we're raising funds for a friend right now, We're currently raising funds for a friend. But today was gonna be a programming day for me. Hope you don't mind that. There we go. And now there we go. And yeah, I'm gonna be booting up the game thing, and we're gonna just be kind of doing some game dev today. We're gonna just be kind of doing some game dev today. Yes, yes. I should play some music, shouldn't I? Let me play some music as well. Give me a second for that. Where is it? There we go. There we go. There we go. So currently we actually can send signals between the game and the other thing. But I want to try using like the new pipeline, the Steam Pipe GUI instead, right? Steam Pipe, Steamworks. Yeah, because currently we're using like the send query, right? But we need to use like the new thing right there. Where is it? Because we got basic multiplayer, we got like the multiplayer thing, right? We can start up a server, we can have people join it, and we can have like the signal be sent to everyone on the server, right? We have that, right? Which is most of what multiplayer actually is, right? We just need to, make it safe, right? Because if I want to make things work, right, and I want to like give you guys like multiplayer access, I want to make sure that you guys don't get like hacked or like DDoSed or your IP stolen or whatever else, right? So that's kind of where we're at right now. Welcome to the stream, Guh. How are you doing today? Because we do have multiplayer working. It's just I need to convert it to the new Steamworks SDK format, right? Steamworks API reference, right? iCloud service, econ service, game inventory. There's quite a lot I have to go through here. There is quite a lot I have to go through here. Where is it? Leaderboards, micro TXN, Steam News, publish search. There's a lot here. What we're looking at though, I think, is the Steam networking. Nah, where is it? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna create a new Steam instance, controller API, Steam friends, Steam game coordinator, game server. We're not doing HTML. We should probably look at game inputs eventually. Because if we're gonna put it on Steam, we want to be able to take off that thing right there, you know. Networking sockets, newer web API, higher performance API that relays data. Okay, this is kind of what we want right here. Networking utils. Okay, so these two are probably what is useful right now. Let's see here. Okay. It's a connection-oriented API. When sending and receiving messages, the peer is identified. But unlike those, it's message-oriented and not stream-oriented. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Both reliable. Okay, unreliable and reliable is kind of useful for us. Large messages are split into multiple packets, smaller into fewer packets. Okay. Here we go. Hey, Nexus! Welcome to the stream, man. What are you doing right now, man? What are you doing right now? Surely you can't be that bored, right? Creates a server socket that listens for clients by connecting over. You must select a specific local port to listen on and usually you'll set an IP portion of the address to 0, local interface, or more if possible, it's not going to be down to dual stack mode, which means it can't accept. Okay. Okay, so we can create a socket. We can connect by IP address. Okay. Create listen socket peer-to-peer. Connect peer-to-peer. Okay. Begins connecting to peer that is identified using this rendezvous service, which depends on platform and library configuration. Steam datagram. Oh, that's fair. Why won't people fight you on Guilty Gear, man? Why won't people fight you on Guilty Gear? I've been playing on the floor. What floor? Floor 10? Your Slayer. What if you played Jacko? What if you played Jacko, man? You could totally play Jacko instead, you know? Literally on my bedroom floor. I know. I was making a joke. Give me 1 second as well. Okay, here we go. Team GD. Init. Okay, Steam. Okay. My brain is like, you know, flushed down the drain right now. Yeah, because we're doing this so that we can like make you guys like IP safe, you know. What is it called? iSteam networking sockets. iSteam networking sockets. Hmm. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm dying, guys. Examples. Okay, here we go. Okay. Connection, init. Okay, Steam init authentication. Okay. We're gonna see if we can jerry-rig this together, guys. Yeah, cause we're following the Steam dot. Init authentication. There we go. That should be the same thing. This level 1000. Fair enough, Nexus. Fair enough, man. Okay, well, let's read through this right here. Connection change. I don't know how any of this works, guys. I don't know how any of this works. Oh no. Okay, well, let's look at the go.steam thing. Classes. This is confusing, guys. Nice, man. Nice. Are you winning? I have yet to actually meet a toxic Bridget user of my own. You know, I like most Bridget users I see are like incredibly nice. You know. Most Bridget players I've met are like incredibly nice, you know? Okay, no replies on my issues yet. There we go. Did I inference like I mean, Like create listing socket IP, the client can create peer-to-peer. The connection will be relayed through the valve network for support specified how the client can connect their contract with one input to 0. So that creates a listing socket. Literally, whenever I get a turn, it spikes to control facts. Yeah, sounds about right. Sounds about right there. iSteam networking sockets tutorial. You got this. Is that a famous person? Is that a famous person? I'm not very good at names. I'm not very good at names. Like create listen but connect using the connection will be relayed through the valve network. How clients connect to the socket using connect peer. One listen socket. If you're listening to a dedicated servers and known data centers, then you can listen using the functions. This function instead of allow clients to connect without a ticket. Any user that owns the app and is signed to Steam will be able to attempt to connect to your server. Also, a connection attempt may require the client to connect to Steam, which is one more moving part that may fail. When tickets are used, once a ticket is obtained, either disconnect from Steam or Steam is offline. Okay. If you're listing on a dedicated server and known data center, then you can use this function instead of create listing. Makes sense. You're running into all the famous people today, aren't you? You're running into all the famous people today. You got this, man. You got this. Let me know how it goes. What did he rank again? Init relay network access. Okay, we already ran that. Okay. How will we go about this? Port ints options config dictionary. There we go. Right. Oh, okay. Options is gonna be a int. There we go. All right. Wait, you gotta get. Wait. Nexus, you gotta. Wait. You gotta clip that and show us. You gotta clip us and show us. Ayo. Wait, next. Wait. Nexus, hop into VC and share your screen. or finish your matches first. Okay? Finish your matches first. Oh, fair enough. Oh, sad. L. Yo, you beat Nubenheimer?
Yeah, I think so.
Nexus #1 NA? Wait, like that's kind of insane, you know?
It's Blue Aura Sin.
Oh, so he's not playing his main though.
I do not care.
That's fair. Still pretty sick though, you know?
I hear myself on your stream. I don't like this.
What?
I have your stream still on. Or still,
Oh wait,
like,
yeah. Go back to chat. Goodbye. Okay, you're back in chat now. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how this works right here. Create listen socket IP. Open it. Connection with the relay through the net. This is giving me a headache. This is giving me a headache. Right here. Valve private gaming network using APIs. The relay network can be used for peer-to-peer and dedicated servers. Okay, where is it? A connection to a dedicated server over Steam Datagram relay. Yeah, no, that's still sick. Don't get me wrong. I'm proud of you, man. For peer-to-peer, create a listen socket peer-to-peer and connect peer-to-peer. Huh? So close to 3-0. Ah, fair. Which super though? Ah, makes sense. I'm trying my best to understand this, but the documentation is not that great right now. The documentation really isn't that great right now. This is confusing, guys. This is really confusing. Let me check the go.steam. Let me check the go.steam wiki right here. Or Discord. Steam datagram relay. Also, using not comes through by default. Simple control flow without, if you don't have your own central matchmaking login service. Ticket-based connection flow. Okay, so if lobby ID equals 0, then Steam, okay. There we go. Create listing pocket. Is that how it works? Guys, coding is complicated sometimes. Coding is really complicated sometimes. Networking messages, Make port non-collected or hit here. Okay. Under the hood. Network pockets code. Oh, okay. Constant void. Data. Flag. Remote champ. No, I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you. That's still pretty dang sick, you know? Oh, okay, this makes so much more sense. Okay. Returns false if there's no session with the user pending, or otherwise if there is an active session. I think. This is kind of frustrating. This is kind of frustrating. There's so much I need to learn to implement this stuff from like the ground up, right? I think it is possible. It's just like I have to look at like a bunch of things, you know? Here we go. Okay. Networking messages. Okay. If any with the given peer. Okay, network message, a session request. Posted when a remote host is sending us a message and we do not already have a session request. Okay. I think I see the vision. I think I see the vision. Okay. Hmm. Okay, here we go. Right. Call this in response for to a network protection request. Call that. On connection requested. Okay. On what did I call that? Requested. All right. And that's gonna give us int user ID. There we go. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so it's not just me that's confused about this right here. Huh. Hmm. Next I lose to my... That's fair. Geo's kind of scary, man. Geo is kind of scary. I'm not very good at fighting her. I'm not very good at fighting her, I'm not gonna lie. Um, it's still scary though, you know? Still scary though. um, that's true. That's true. Do. Do I have to make a lobby API on its own? Steam lobby API. Okay, so this is what we're already using right here. Quest lobby data. Hmm. I feel like I'm going insane here, guys. I feel like I'm going insane here. Um. User selects the game they want. Okay, searching for lobbies. Lobby string, numeric filter, distance filter result. Okay, you create a lobby with create lobby, lobby created. Okay, let's take a look at that, right? So create lobby. Steve create lobby. Okay, lobby created. Lobby ID equals this lobby ID. Okay, makes sense. Set lobby joinable. Yep, true. Okay, makes sense. Set lobby data. Um. Okay, so this is where we have to change it here. All right. Okay. So on lobby created. Okay. Okay. And then um mm, okay, so we get lobby members, peer-to-peer handshake. Okay. For member in range, 0 number of members. Member Steam ID equals this. Okay, so this updates the list of lobby members every time. Actually, I was talking to another person about a few weeks back. How would you set up peer-to-peer with the messages AP? Okay. Messages lobbies. Okay. Oh, headache. Okay, so we get lobby members, and that puts into like the lobby member list, right? Um, hmm. I think I might just explode. This is a lot to take in right here, guys. This is like a lot to take in right here. Because I have to like learn this entire API and then implement it in a way which is like safe for you guys to use, you know? Because I don't want you guys like having your IP exposed and everything, right? Steam matchmaking with messages. On Steam roughly. For example. Okay. Steam basically allows you to send arbitrary data to other Steam users with a handshake being handled instantly with the send data. So literally all I have to do is wait for each player to send their location to every other player in the session. And then I just have to make sure to use that location to show next to the player. Each client can then loop through the Steam users in the lobby and use the Steam messaging. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. So, because we already have the players, right? Okay, well, let me look at the list of functions. Lobby ID, lobby members, members max, vote kick. Okay. So when someone requests to join, right? Other, friend ID. And it calls a join lobby function. Okay. Okay, where's the join lobby function? Attempting to join lobby. Lobby ID. Okay, so we join lobby, right? Wait, okay. So here, attempt to join lobby of the lobby ID. Lobby members not clear. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so once we join the lobby, if response is a success, then lobby ID equals this lobby. Then get lobby members, make peer-to-peer handshake. Okay, so here, right? I think what we need to change is the make P2P handshake, right? Sends a message via identity reference if we don't really have a session with that user. A session is implicitly created. There may be some handshaking that needs to happen before we can actually begin sending message data. If this handshaking fails, we can't get through, and an error will be posted to you. Send message to user, right? Zero. That works, right? This works, I think. Maybe. So that both uses send message to user right there. Okay, so that should handshake. Okay. This is a lot, guys. This is a lot. Okay, and then that makes the handshake, right? And that should do it with everyone, I think. Okay, so that might do it actually. Okay, so that should send it. Okay, make peer-to-peer handshake. That might work. I don't think I would need anything there, right? Okay, this might work. Oh, okay. I see it. I see it. P2P session. Okay, so instead of P2P session request, right? Network messages session request. On peer-to-peer session request. Okay, I see the vision. Okay. Nice. Network messages session failed, right? And then dot connect. And there we go. Okay. So we got that going out there. I'm doing pretty good. We're currently on a coding rampage, more or less, you know? I'm trying to figure out how any of this works right now. I'm trying to figure out how, like, any of this works right now. Okay. So on a message request, right? Remote ID, this requester, Steam get friend persona ID, okay? Is requesting a session, and then after we get the session request, right? After we get the session request, we send a message back. Handshaking fails. Sending a message to a host will implicitly accept any incoming connections from that host. Okay. Okay, so when we get that, right. So when we get a request, right, from remote ID. We can call accept session with user. And then Steam lobbies make peer-to-peer handshake, right? Steam lobbies. Send message to user, okay. And that should do the reverse, there we go. Okay, let's take care of the fail condition, right? Let's take care of the fail condition. Okay, Steam peer-to-peer packet. Okay, so now, right, we just kind of gotta convert a lot of these, right? Read peer-to-peer packet, okay. Steam accept session with user. Steam accept session with user, that should be this one right here. Okay. Okay. Read peer-to-peer packet size, right? And if packet size is greater than 0. Okay, so this is where we need to change things out, right? Because we got receive messages on channel. Turns number of messages returns into your list. Interesting. Okay, yeah, so we have to find a different way to implement this right here, right? Because currently we can grab a packet by doing a read peer-to-peer packet. But none of this really applies. Because we're doing messages instead of packets, right? Turns the number of messages turned into your list. Contains a list of messages. Contains the following keys. Payload string. Oh, okay. Okay, so our read peer-to-peer right now, right, is just constantly called every frame. Right, so instead of that, what we can do, right, is receive messages on channel. Receive messages on channel. Channel 0. Do we have to put a limit? Message dot delete. Okay. Like 100, I guess. All right. Messages, right? If messages. There we go. If messages dot size is greater than 0, then this is exhausting, guys. This is exhausting. Because we receive it, right? Returns the next message that is sent from using on the giving channel. Returns number of messages returned into your list. Steam works. Reads the next message that's been sent from another user via send messages to user on the given channel. Returns the number of messages returned. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so we need to do read, right, and send. Okay, send type. Okay, let's see. This member Steam ID is not equal to our Steam ID, then send a message to that user. User with this message, this member Steam ID, with this data flag in channel. Okay. Is this the same exact format? I think this might be the same format, actually. Interesting. Okay, okay, okay. I need someone with a PC that I can test this with. I need someone with a PC that I can test this with eventually. Okay, there we go. That should work. Channel 0, 500, I guess. All right. Print. I think I might just do that for now, you know? I think that's just kind of what I have to do. Let me see if I can grab someone to test this with real quick. I have to update this. Here we go. I wish there was a way I could send messages to myself, you know? That would be really, really, really useful. Let me see. Okay, I just messaged someone that might be able to help. There we go. Okay, can I copy the thing from before? Expected else after ternary operator condition. Oh, my sister just messaged me. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Oh, okay. There we go. And then that just prints the messages. And since our peer-to-peer packet was turned into wait, in messages for message in messages. Var, wait, byte to var message, right? And then print and then we just print that, alright? You know what? We have. You know what? We have GitHub for a reason. We have GitHub for a reason, guys. Okay. Where's our GitHub? Okay. There we go. I should probably not have this on that screen. Not the first time I've done that, you know? I took a second and I was like, this isn't a good idea, you know? There we go. There we go. And then Steamworks, Tools, Steam Type GUI. And we upload. Okay, I need the 2-fact now. There we go. Okay, yeah, sorry that this stream's a bit technical, guys. it is a little bit technical here. Okay. There we go to Steamworks, alright. And then I have to log in once again. Honestly, I think that that QR codes are insanely cool. I think that QR codes are like insanely cool. They should not work as well as they do from like the distance that they do, you know? There we go. Okay, I wonder if this works now. I just can't really test if it's just by myself, you know? I'm hoping. I'm hoping. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure, you know? I think this might actually be a good place to stop for today, though. There we go. GitHub. Attempting to update Steam networking to use the new API, which should be safer for users. I think security is very important, right? And you know, for as long as I physically can, right? I'm gonna make sure that I can like give a good foundation to this game and not like endanger you guys, you know? Because that's not what I'm about. That's not what I'm about, you know? You know what? I'll write Thunder. I'll say hi to Thunder. There we go. And goodbye, everyone. Oh, and end stream.